A quick unboxing and review of the portable key wireless charger for Apple Watch series 1 to 4, which I got off Aliexpress. I'll be flashing the rates along with the custom duties if paid in the video and also in the description. The packing is pretty neat. It comes with a USB Type-C charging cable and a quick start manual. The operating temperatures are -20 to 55 degrees Celsius. It has a overheat, overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit protection. It charges completely in 2 hours and it stops charging after a full load. This clip acts as a keychain and a belt or a bag hook for outdoors. This is a power on button. There are 4 LED indicators to know the charge status. I have an Apple Watch Series 4 and it works well. I've tested this extensively on my recent outings and it does the job. It also doubles up as a 950 mAh power bank with a USB 2 outlet just to give that extra juice to your phone if it is running out of power. So if you're a power Apple Watch user like myself who uses it continuously to take calls, this could be a good backup and I highly recommend it. So if you're a power Apple Watch user like me, who uses the Apple Watch mostly to take calls,